Title of the article: Ensemble Machine Learning Models for Blast-Induced Fairness is review of the transformative innovation in Windows. ID is 49143. Coming to the graphical abstract, mining industry is increasingly using the machine learning to improve the performance, support better decision making. This study focus on the machine learning is used to mine blasting, especially to predict and reduce the blast induced air over pressure and its environmental effects. Blasting is an important part of the mining that is uses explosive to rock the break, but 20 to 30% of the energy was used to effectively the rest of the cases problems like ground vibration and noise, fly rocks, fly rocks and damage the nearby structures. Air over pressure is especially risky. Making accurate prediction is very important to measuring the AOP using the statistical prediction equations. In these equations, we have depend on the two parameters only. That is the distance and maximum charge per delay. Uh, that's why we got the very low accuracy. To overcome this problem, we are going to machine learning models. In these machine learning models, we are using the number of parameters like burden, hole, depth, streaming, power factor, etc. Um, etc. In this machine learning, we have to compare the statistical equations. 60% of the study, we got the better accuracy. In the summary of the previous investigation, we comparing the both the statistical prediction and machine learning models. We got the better improvement using machine learning models. Next, next one, comparative analysis. 72% of the surface blasting and 45% of the underground blasting. Um, the surface blasting is mainly affected by the designing and layout, while underground blasting is depend on the more rock, soil, and condition. However, this still not the not enough on underground blasting, not enough research on underground blasting. Coming to the conclusion, this study focus on the needed to make the machine learning model easy to understand, use the real-time monitoring, and to train the mine workers in the new technologies. Um, these are these steps can be helpful make the blasting safer, more efficient, and better